pay attention to any of that. Him under pressure. That's his doing. We just got to do what we got to do, win football games. But we don't really pay attention to him being under pressure.
And you haven't seen that impact him at all?
Nope. He hasn't changed anything. Other than that, he's just trying to prove his team, which he has done a great job.
How about the end of last season when your athletic director comes out and says he wants to see improvements? Do you guys take that to heart when you're seeing stuff like that coming out from high up in this athletic department?
I mean, yeah, we do, but in a sense, we knew that we needed to improve. Last year it was, wasn't a great season. Everybody knew it wasn't a great season. Everybody this off season trained even harder than we did the year before. So everybody knew improvement was needed.
Don't need to be told.
Yeah, it was just like something that you already heard before, and just from a higher up man. But other than that, everybody knew it was improvement.
So for you guys then, do you feel like you have to win back this fan base a little bit, that you have to come out and show them that you've put in that time, that you guys have put in that effort to make the necessary changes?
It wasn't, not really win back this fan base. I believe our fan base is loyal. We have really great fans that are loyal. They were with us when we weren't doing so hot. They were with us when we were at our highest peak. So it wasn't really, showing them that we have improved. It's just us going on the field, showing ourselves that, the work that we put in this off season, we're finally getting successful results. So, it's good.
Thanks,
Jordan. Dana was saying yesterday that he wants to see 2 more receivers emerge here. Do you feel as though a few guys have created separation? How do you feel like you stack up with the rest?
I feel like everybody, it's still tough to sell, camp. It's definitely hard to sell. I definitely see myself as being like one of the top, but again, it's tough to tell. Everybody's making plays in camp. Everybody's doing their job. Everybody's just fitting their role on the team, and it's great where you can substitute people and not even miss a beat on offense. It's a good feeling, and it's an advantage that we could have on the offensive side. Keeping the defense off balance. Keeping them. While they're tired, we bring in fresh legs, still getting the same results. So it's definitely a good feeling.
Dana also reiterated the fact that you were having a phenomenal camp, just as you have the last few years. How do you translate that onto the field and make sure that that's what happens on the field this year?
Well, more of a mature level, like I say, that's going into my 3rd year. I feel more mature, and I feel that usually, like in my previous 2 seasons, I feel like I was trying to do more than what I was supposed to do, and that backfired. So just playing within myself, knowing that my capabilities, what I can do, try to make big plays and stuff, but nevertheless, keep your composure, play within yourself. Because when you start doing other things, you start messing up.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome, man.
Do you think that's a condition of like not being able to trust your teammates, and you think you have to do more maybe this year? There's definitely a more strong feeling of trust of your teammates, that that when someone else is in there, they're going to do a good job. Or
yeah, trust level does play a huge factor, within like an individual, because you don't really feel like people are going to make big plays. You feel like you need to make the big play. You gotta do things extraordinary, and when you do, that can be a good goal, but it can also backfire when you're trying to do too much. But, this year, I can tell you, the trust level has increased. I feel like anybody can make a play at any time. We have a lot of playmakers on the offensive side of the ball, and with that, it's a good feeling that, I can make a play. I can be the guy to make the big play, but also the backfield can make a big play. Clint can make a big play. Kevin, Mario, Nikhil, whoever it is can make a big play, which takes a little bit of pressure off an individual.
Good. Thanks.
You're welcome.